Hello, welcome back to the channel. I've just got a new mould in the post. You can see it's very Christmassy, and you can also see it's holographic. Now they're all the same, I don't know how to say it, holographic-y display type pattern? Holographic pattern, that's better. Because the whole sheet is done with the same pattern, it does cluster differently in each one. I'm super excited to see how this comes out when it's done. I have some resin mixed up ready to go. I'm going to use a resin pigment. I'm going for green, which is a Christmassy colour. I have one here called Clover. I'm going to put quite a lot in because I don't want it to be transparent, see-through. That looks very, very dark on camera, but it is lighter in real life. Oh, that's way too thin. Let's see what I've got. Now I want to darken this up, so I'm going to go with the darkest colour I've got, which is blackcurrant. Although I don't want this to be muddy. We'll see. I do want the holographic pattern to show though. And I'm kind of assuming the darker the colour, the more of a holographic pattern I'm going to get. I've also noticed with resin pigments that you don't tend to get air bubbles, which is great. Super happy about that. So this is still very thin. I don't know how to make this less opaque. So let's experiment. Let's go with this, let's see what happens. It could turn out to be the best thing ever, who knows. I'm just going to go ahead and start pouring. Now I did say, with these, I don't seem to get air bubbles, and I've got a line of air bubbles in every single one. So we're just going to give them a very quick torch. There we go, air bubbles all gone. This here is where I spilt a little bit myself, so that's fine. Great. Well, I'll see you when they're all set and we can demold them together. Okay, so it's been a couple of days. These are nice and set. So I'm going to demold. I'm going to try and leave everything face down, and then I'm going to flip over and we can see if the holographic pattern worked, how holographic they are, and what we think. Coming up very easily. Which is nice. If I remember, I'll link this mould down below if anyone is interested. Just going to peel that bit of overflow off that I got on it. Get it? Yeah. Mould is really nice and clean, which is always great. You can see how holographic it is there on camera. Right, are we ready? Let's turn everything the right way round. Right, I'm just going to jump in. Wow! That is so cool. Look at that. How cool is that? I didn't think it would be that, I don't know what the right word is, vibrant, obvious. I thought it might be more subtle. I'm so happy with that. How do these other ones look? They're so cool. I love them so much. I'm definitely going to have to do these in some other colours. I wonder if with a different colour background we'd get more or less of a holographic look. I wonder if I use glitter, would that mess it up maybe? I don't know. I love that it's got a star there and everything sort of radiates out. That's so cool. Well, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see future videos, and I will pop some pictures at the end. Have a great day.